सभी लोगों को स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज हम लोगों के साथ Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में और डिस्कस कर रहे हैं Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में और Q3 का जो फाइनेंशियल ईयर इस बारे में हम लोगों के साथ बात कर रहे हैं। और Q3 रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर कर दिया मार्केट ने, कंपनी ने, और आप लोगों ने देखा जो JSW Steel, Cipla, Adani Green Energy and other post December quarter earning. Q3 result to the live updates. It was a big day in the Q3 earnings calendar with so companies announced their December quarter numbers on Friday. The license was led by names like JSW Steel, IndusInd Bank, and pharma major Cipla. Q3 result to the live updates key companies that reported their earning today were अर्बन कंपनी, सोना BLW, अदानी ग्रीन और अदर्स कंपनी का जो Q3 रिजल्ट डिस्क्लोज कर दिया। और JSW स्टील रिपोर्टेड स्टेलर नंबर्स ऑफ द दिसंबर क्वार्टर, marketing a 198% YoY spike in profit at rest 2,139 crore against rest 717 crore. Revenue saw 11% YoY, jump at rest 45,991 crore. Meanwhile, Adani Green posted a net loss of Rs 41 crore for the third quarter compared with a profit of Rs 492 crore a year earlier and Rs 583 crore in the previous quarter. Other key names that announced their December quarter earnings on Friday include Cipla, Shriram Finance and Karur. Vysya Banks. The day is said to be a busy one of the earnings session with names like JSW Steel and IndusInd Bank set to declare their financial statement later in the day. Q3 earnings to the IndusInd Bank. Q3 result paid drops 88.5% YoY to Rs 161 crore, but meet estimates. Cipla Q3 result net profit falls 57% YoY to Rs 676 crore, and Shriram Finance Q3 results paid falls 29% YoY to the Rs 2,522 crore, nil risk 16%. Adani Green Q3 result company report loss of Rs 41 crore vs 492 crore profit a year ago. For Q3 result, Lives Urban Company report YoY loss of 21 crore or net loss of Rs 21 crore vs profit of 232 crore a year ago. Revenue from operation jumps 33% YoY to Rs 383 crore.